In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Image Enhanced Visual Editor and Pink Toner to enhance your images. There are a few required components. You must have a Fiery that supports both Pink Toner or Dry Ink and also the special effects layer in Image Enhanced Visual Editor. You also need the latest Command Workstation package 6.8.0.466. First step is you need to import your job into Command Workstation and then right mouse click on it and select Image Enhanced Visual Editor. Once you do that, the job will open up in Image Enhanced Visual Editor and you can select the image that you want to enhance. I recommend that you work in the split view. It'll be a little bit easier so you have the before and after so you can see the enhancement layer. Then go ahead and scroll down if you need and turn on that special effects layer. So once you turn that on, it will default to your last setting. I last used pink, so that's what came up. And it looks at your image and tries to give you the best overall look. So hue select is the best way to go with using pink. And then also the rest of the settings that defaults based on your image. You can, of course, do things like reduce the amount of pink in the image. You can play with the other settings, and that will either expand or reduce the pink effect. A real great advantage of using the special effects layer is you just apply pink to those images in the job that you need it. You don't have to apply it to every component within the job if you don't need to. And that will save you some money. It'll make it a little bit more cost-effective way of using the pink toner in your job. So when you're all done making your adjustments, all you have to do is save it out, and you just go up. Probably the easiest way is just to close out the job and it will ask you to save it. So go ahead and click on save. And also the job properties have been set to use pink toner automatically, so all you have to do is print your job and you're all set. Pretty easy and very, very efficient way of using pink toner.